Y'all, so I got Subway. And we haven't had this in a break. Let me see. Y'all, in this type of weather, you need a nice sandwich, okay? I got my seafood salad. I told y'all how I do it. Put my seafood salad on there and just put the rest of that. Tell me don't know what's about it. I got the best chips. This is like peanut butter and jelly. Like, these Cool Ranch chips, they're made for sandwiches. I forgot all about it. I forgot who I seen eating of those, like, what I've been doing. And of course, I gotta have my hot cheese puffs. I got my grenadine, cherries, and ice in there with my Pepsi. I said Pepsi. Sprite. Y'all know I can't talk when I'm hungry. Y'all like that sound? I know I had my straw somewhere. Make sure you stir this up.